Ratchet, there's something I haven't told you about the clock. If we succeed, if we turn back time and stop Tachyon, the present as you know it will no longer exist.
You mean I won't remember Clank?
I mean, you will never have met him in the first place. The clock may offer some kind of temporal immunity for those who use it, but there are no guarantees.
If this is my only chance to save my family, I have to take it.
Good. Now don't be alarmed, but I just picked up Forcelon's signature not far from our location. I'll distract him while you head to the outpost, and remember, if Orvis is alive, it's imperative that you get the clock's location from him. Good luck.
Welcome, welcome, welcome to Open Fight Night at the Battle Points. You like to fight? You like to mix it up? You look like a mixer-upper. What's your name, Spoof?
I'm Ratchet.
That's a silly name. What, you folks lose a bet? Kidding! I'm Mac. You have to excuse the hologram. Folks around here have a tendency to throw things. Take a look around. If you need anything, Mac's your guy. Ah, you noticed that, huh? The Agorians may be strong, but they're a bit shortchanged in the brain department. So they hired us to do their thinking for them. You got something to prove, huh? You got moxie, kid. I like that.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time for the War Grok!
Never fear, Ratchet. While I was in captivity, I trained with the elite Umbuku gladiators of Terraclon 6. My body is in peak physical condition. My sense as sharp as trillium razors.
Release the War Grok!
Not it!
Gladiators, you must kill the War Grok!
Honorable lizard thing, I understand your proud warrior ways. The Nabla tribesmen of Florana once referred to me as or he with mighty pecs who had delivered us serenity. But we cannot kill this creature.
You must kill the War Grok or die!
Quark! This thing's trying to eat me!
This Lombax is young. He does not understand that being a hero is 45% strength, 60% bravery, and 10% raw intelligence.
That's 115%!
You're welcome. Please, take me instead. All that I ask is that you name something impressive in my honor. Perhaps a school, or a food court.
By the blade of Argos, you have honored us! You are a true hero!
Who's a good War Grok? You are. Yes, you are. I'm gonna name you Snowball.
You've got to be kidding me.
Hi-ho, Snowball! Away!
You switch! You told me this would work!
I don't know what's happening. We should have found it by now. He must have erased his own memory.
Time is a gift and not to be tampered with.
This is your last chance, Orvis.
How do I get into the chamber? You are making a mistake. The clock is not a time machine. only one who will enter my chamber. And he is safe, far from you.
Where is he? Where did he go? I don't know, sir. I'm pulling up a residual image from his database. We scanned it before he dissipated.
Clank?
You! Annihilate him, you fools! And then I said, not so smart now, are you? You get it? Because he's a moron!
Oh, Dr. Nefarious. You have such a wonderful sense of humor. And you're so...
General!
It is a dark day when one is tasked with destroying half the galaxy's Longback's population. I assure you I act only out of contractual obligation.
Ratchet, don't listen to him! Find the clock!
Only one Longback's need perish tonight. If you would be willing to take his place, I'd happily postpone the execution. I've uploaded coordinates to your ship. Tick-tock. Better hurry. You lasted much longer than I expected. Azimuth has taught you well.
Where is he, Porcelain?
Let's see. Now, where did I put him? There's the airlock. There's the torture chamber. The day spa. Tell me what. Defeat me, and maybe I'll tell you. Can't be happening.
Ratchet, the release lever's exposed.
I know. It was touch and go there for a while. But the old Lombax instinct kicked in and,
Fool! I told you to leave me. You shouldn't have come back.
Wow. That was not the reaction I was expecting. You know, General, it's not like I've been here just sitting around all day. I've traveled back in time, found out what happened to Orvis.
Back in time? When? How far?
Not far enough.
It's just... we're the only ones who can fix the past. I'm proud of you, Ratchet.
Come on. It's time to go.